Welcome back to Garage Choice. Today we're going to show you how I changed my oil in my 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. We hope you like our video. If you enjoy our videos, please like and subscribe. To change your oil, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need some full synthetic oil, you're going to need a funnel, you're going to need an oil filter, you're going to need a 24 and 13 millimeter socket, you're going to need a pick and a socket wrench with an extension and a rag, and then you're going to need an oil pan. You're going to need 5 quarts of oil. In the manual, it says that you need 0W20. Most 0W20 are full synthetic, and we picked it up at Walmart for around 20 bucks. Whatever oil you choose, make sure it meets the Chrysler MS 6395 specification. As far as oil filter goes, make sure it's the MO349, and AC is the latest version that you want to choose. And guys, you don't even need to have your nails done like I do. Okay, so now let's get started. I'm going to start by obviously opening the hood of the car. It's hard with nails. Okay. I just put it all the way down. I don't want to hurt it. So I put the hood all the way back just so I have more light. You can also use that stick right there to hold it up. So you don't have to wear gloves, but I'm choosing to because I don't want to get my nails dirty. This is super. Yeah, this is not for me.
All right, just so say,
How am I supposed to scoot under here? Oh my god. Is it gonna pour out?
Yeah.
What if it pours on my head? Are you recording?
Yes.
Now it's time to take the oil plug off. Okay, now it's time to take the oil drain plug off with the 13 millimeter socket wrench. Okay.
And you're gonna go up towards
Up? Are you sure?
Yep.
It's not going off.
Okay, go ahead. That's all right.
This is
your first time using
this is
socket
terrible.
wrench. This is your first time using the socket wrench, right?
These hands aren't made for tools. I can't even.
You gotta turn it. Yep.
Oh my god, this is terrible.
You get it. You have to turn it. Turn
My neck. Hold on.
There you go. Okay, is it turning now?
Yeah.
There you go. Now take the socket off. Take the socket off and turn it by, you can turn it by hand. Use your left hand.
This is the pan.
And the oil's gonna come out, it's gonna splash out. When that happens, pull that,
What? When it happens, what?
start turning it like this.
Okay.
Yep. And when it comes out, pull your hand away quick, okay? It's gonna go.
I'm scared.
Don't.
Does this stay on?
No, it's gonna come off. So as soon as it's
Oh,
like
so it's
loose,
gonna splash in my face.
keep going.
I'm scared.
You're fine.
I feel the oil.
Just pull it away. It's almost there. There you go. Leave your hand over.
Wow. Now that the oil is draining, we can work on the filter. Okay, while the drain plug is out, you're gonna wanna make sure you clean it with a rag. What is it called again?
Oil fill cap.
While the oil is draining, I'm going to crack open the oil fill cap and leave it open like this. Now we are going to take out the oil filter with the 24 millimeter socket. And I did put some rags down, so just in case the oil spills.
Push that all the way. There you go.
Okay. Oh God, this is hard to get off too.
There you go. Okay, probably do it by hand. Good.
I don't think so.
Now when you pull that off, turn it really quick, okay?
What do you mean?
So the oil doesn't drip down. There you go. Good.
Okay. Now that I remove the filter, I'm going to take the filter out of the filter cap by pulling it up. Okay. Now I'm going to use my pick tool and take the O-ring off the filter cap. Now I'm going to take out the new filter. I have to put the O-ring on first. It's on the bottom. Make sure you don't forget that because you're putting that on first. I'm taking some oil from the previous filter and I'm just going to put it on the new O-ring so it's easy to slip on. Just like that. So now that I have my new filter, I'm going to press straight down until it snaps in. And I'm going to lubricate the other O-ring with some of the previous oil. Now that we have everything all set, it's ready to go back in. Okay, now I'm going to put it back in and twist. I'm going to twist with my hand until I hit resistance. I switched my tool to tighten. And now I'm going clockwise.
Hold it, kind of try to hold it straight.
Okay.
Right? There you go.
I think it's tight enough. There is a torque spec in the manual. Feel free to use that if you would like. Now it is time to put the drain plug back on. I'm gonna tighten it by hand first, and then I'm gonna use my wrench. And I did change the socket to 13 millimeters. There we go. Yeah. There is a torque spec for this as well. I will list it down below, so if you choose to use that, you can. I'm just using an extension here to tighten it further. Okay. While you're down here, you're gonna use your rag and just clean off the drain plug. This way you can see if there's any leaks. Now that the oil is drained and the filter is changed, we're gonna use the funnel, put it in here, and pour in the new oil. If you couldn't tell, this is my first time, so I did put rags on the side so I don't get any spillage. And I'm going to put all 5 quarts in now.
Nice and slow. There you go. Just like that. Good. Great job. Slow. Let it all drip down.
Get every last drop. The last piece of the oil change is to put the oil fill cap back on. Okay,
There you go.
all done. Thank you. One of the final most important steps is to take the car outside, let it run for 5 or 10 minutes, and then see if there's any leaking by the oil fill cap and the drainage plug underneath the car. Now we are going to reset the oil change monitor and we're all set. I'm resetting the oil life monitor by pressing the ignition twice without your foot on the brake. Okay, then I'm going to press this button down until I hit this, and then, is it there? And I'm gonna hold OK to reset. So I'm holding this button down to reset.
It's not resetting.
No. There we go. We hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching. It's really not that hard. I encourage everybody to try it themselves, and you can do it all for under $30.
Check out GarageToysLLC.com, where you can see our full selection of custom shift knobs for any make and model car. We offer many different materials and colors to fit everyone's needs. All of our shift knobs are manufactured here in the USA by fellow auto enthusiasts just like you, and can be shipped all over the world. Thanks for visiting.